Yeah.
So they get in there, okay, here's everything.
You see that mustache underneath your nose?
Legal.
Yeah, because all three of them are you and
What's that brown stuff?
Yeah, just need they on it.
That all
And
year.
it's something to me, leaders have to come in. I want to give everything that you don't want to, then I don't have to deal with it.
Yeah.
Pre-planned.
Nope.
Services.
He's being dangerous again, Wally.
The other side.
There you go. They're magnets. Put it on the fridge. She's playing with magnets.
No,
Surprise.
you're live TV here.
Yeah, smile, you're on camera.
Harold's really going downhill with his heart.
Nope. Good girl. You can't reach that height quite yet. Jump! So as he gets on the ground.
You're cruising, old man. Isn't he?
Oh man, he's the biggest kid here.
Yeah, I know.
With my
Toy.
slick toy. Yes, indeed.
You put him on the icebox.
Oh, watch out, Grandpa. She's so adorable.
Thank you. He says resins, Mama.
We'll put him on the fridge.
We'll put him back.
Yeah, she wants you to do it.
We'll put him back on the icebox. As soon as you drop him.
You want to get the little beer towel?
Or it gets
She's
broken.
gonna put him on the fridge.
Yeah, well, I can't wait.
That's not my olive.
Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Let's go through him.
You got hit by home run.
Buddy and his big feet.
There they are.
No, Andrew's one of the feet. Same size as yours.
Okay, go take them back.
Mama, I have the same size as shoes. 8. What size are those?
Go.
8. I think 7. They were 7 ours. Or 8. I think those were my old ones. I know.
You don't think it is?
No, I said I think it is.
Yeah.
I'm sitting there getting dressing out around the wing and took the wing off with a spoon.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that stove is hot.
Is that got turkey? What's that turkey? Hey, Grandpa, I got first. Yeah, first filler.
Are we having fun, cuz?
You betcha.
My jacket's better. Is where we're going to get you started?
If that pan,
your hand.
if that pan's kind of cooled off, go ahead and take your hot water off.
It's still kind of hot right now.
My gravy's not working, cuz. All these look nice and creamy. If it does look nice and creamy, then you're doing good.
Washing machine.
You're on camera.
She says I should be watching Mama. She says I'm on Grandmama's face. Here we go. As soon as Em gets out, go ahead and sit down and you can help
Eat it.
Mama.
Get your green bean.
Okay?
Eat that green bean. Nope.
Okay, go ahead.
Turkey?
Yeah, she wants turkey.
Yeah. Well, Dad,
Yeah.
we have a turkey and some stuff. If you guys want to do it that way, it'd be a lot cheaper on everybody. Just come on out to the house and I'll have turkey and stuff all made and
Look, it's sitting right there.
You don't know. I
You're not
don't-
pulling your pants down. How did you?
Moon everybody.
Ah,
Hey,
trying to moon everybody.
where's your belly? Huh? Where's your belly?
Show 'em your belly.
Where's your
Can't show
belly?
belly because the belly's covered up.
Hey.
Where's Bubby's belly? Now they're poked. There we go.
Where's your nose?
You know, it's funny, the only two things
Give me
I
nose.
Where's your nose? Huh? Where's your nose?
Yeah. Where's your nose?
You can't mess it up.
Because I poked everybody else's nose.
Okay, say your nose. Where's my nose?
Where's your nose? I'm tired.
Hey, where's your right foot? Hey, where's your nose?
Yeah.
I forgot about it in bed.
Come here, Ralph. No, I don't want my, okay. Where's your foot? Where's your right foot? Right foot. Oh, that's my right foot. Where's yours? That's your left foot. That's my right foot. Where's your right foot?
Well, that's just it. You're not supposed to.
No,
put
where's
it
yours?
on eggs that are boiling.
Right foot.
Where's your belly?
Jay, where's your eyes?
You gotta.
Well, I'm used to it.
That's
Where's your mouth?
Where's your eyes?
We haven't learned that one yet.
She'll want to poke you in the eye.
We haven't learned the eye.
Hey, where's your mouth?
About that yet.
Not yet.
Well,